tafia Naija wash iye wu wonyai edo tafia because ukwe na YouTube rock ma grow Naija wash ijo saloba ya imiawe anything my picture a page you we me and you ima ini de la wo ima de mi de ijo salobu ageme rigwe no guye no me Naija wash wa gome imia Naija wash ge me rigwe ijo salobu ije enikao iya imiawe Naija wash iji dani yesige ja imiawe iji dano poko ja imiawe ije mota no kawe kebe ja imiawe eki message to jore wahala de o mwe picture me bae la wogo Naija wash wa ni tana mwe picture me bae do imiawe imagine tezo la wogo anybody na we video iya na so anywhere do wo amwe the video metimu where you want to put my picture la gume save life me emi no ra me gbe ose kesi we no 7 million o gba ninu we me be ko ni me ba buja so wu we ninu we bo okay o gba ni me be Ghana o so wa we ninu we bo so ope ni ke yo bo mu go o gba ni bo be Ghana 13 years ago ya bo wa be Ghana 6 flats obi ogugo ya bo rent every year ya pay go jam account la wo emi no saloba wa wo imani anything no see high blood pressure a doctor when you run why heart me na ka bo rush ijenika ya imiawe etafia wo we control etafia there are many YouTube no wada kiena no ya say confusion where the picture me where mu emeni tabe mana ima drip pe goma pa where ifia uya mo goma bu mu picture bu mu bai la wo Naija wash ijo salobo ija imiawe obemo be again where God is good a YouTube ni meka lo but now worry lo because he may ya he eni menuka ya kie oro ori me dia woni me phone la dia baba na imu la dia nu gwa bege Naija watch ori mu a YouTube ni ka lo nu la wo uwe mo a video me mejo o when no ma fi pe go me ga imu a picture mejo ijo salobo ya imiawe you go gbe me wa la kun igo won not before quarrel. I don't need my picture to all those saga again. No, I take God beg all of you all the people where they carry my video, where they put my picture. I take God beg una. I don't need that. Okay? If I offend you now, send me records. I go tell you say no vex. That problem cannot be my class again. God have changed my name. I want to concentrate. But especially Naija wash, ire do him ya we. Ijo salobo ijera me bije me no re imi ya imi awe iji kwe ana ija imi awe me picture me gine zoro parokpa nu la wo ogun me tori emi ni kwa go bi meri emi ni suseji me picture me jo wa gun me fin video na gie and if any video ma nu ya muje tafia nu ya muje ni na report ave video wo we because in Nigeria land we na aru we e ba ni ya detective we no Naija watch la openu ke se go slow jo megbe openu ke si ezo jo megbe openu ke mu emi o ma wa te me metun yin o wa te wi jore o wa re pichi jore o be re ke Naija watch la igwe wa je na ire do yin mi awe umana ho emi no ri mi o mu we dai igwa yin mi awe o ijo unwe o yin mi hana ya yin mi awe anything concerning my picture I don't need it in your YouTube okay tafia wonya mi aju wonya so me picture me all those small YouTube no wa dey na work here yaknya egbere gbegu me miwe la wo me video no do gage na ni make na mi un ya sekenirie igwa do yin awo pe ni kesuse nula o ijo saloba ya yin awe to ame ijera re iju no re yin ja yin awe to ame won la wo go me egbe me wa na ku go saloba bless you when continue with other people video stay away from me la wo manage Oso ni mi opa no ka abo atoshi me my need day bagay idigwe waje ya nyawe cause u create small video no ya fear confusion se konbori ku €200 $150 na ha nu na ezo arezo mafo agi mi o ma no ri tu oni wa mi o ri igbo abi wa la YouTube we make ni igbo na ta we message to this year Emma, stop and you have many workers. Workers no ya renjo. ya iteme mana imasunu je ni o manu gwe ni ave kole ni no ma ni ya kan no ma ni gwe iwe mabega ni jore wata ba o atori opa masafian wuri emi la stop ọpẹ nu ke piri maya ọpẹ ugbe so ya avie bugbe gbe ijeje can be my weakness ijeje ota we awe mommy we gwe na ja wo shigun imaila ke ege na iwa je na imagi ni teso ogono magwe ijoro bi omo sagbera gbije imake era mere imi ne ije mere imi ne so no need it ebon era me bije mo ya ba iwo doni eva ya gbin na be imi because imai ni de la wo ititi sene when you go ya titi na ya from here echo step kere so I'm not me na ja watch no go me imia ti me no ba we but I don't want to call you only what time all those small YouTube we wa no go nya YouTube no me ogbera te la wo we say confusion just aloba ya imia we see ezo ni ma la o 7 ya na me yo ni gbe ezo okay cause iga warun da we emi no saloba re me na wa pa egbe okowe o so imanije ato iyo ya wala YouTube a picture megiro so I will have peace my needs cause if you ba do kinini wedo if you outside here do kinini wedo if you gbo here do egbera wo pa problem to problem let's go here ya fo ba ke ya to egbe ni na gwina na we wa like ya o what e bo no wa mo picture na wo mu fio we me picture wejo aro wi we mujo ema eri evie tun jakara we nu we feel oge ma be kwa my nite igware gwado imi awe igwajo saloba ya imi awe ijo tornado ya imi awe imi ya ni lo tornado as far we ken do ya ko we ya imi awe agoma mi any of my picture wa obi o ma be why ke YouTube so umu picture ko ojo why ke YouTube so umu audio pi ajo umu workers no me dia more than 20 no ni ato gelele yakia tie that day live video not by why we got here but no ma e ma ni mu na lele na ja watch obun se no tie live video obun se yan bun se no ti wa do wa ma when me je yes tie me because I use me I know yet yan ti wa jo de one of Paris to me no ka ero wi we a go se we no yon onwe na lele la wo go ra me magi kwa la me picture mejo la wo la o salopa mo ni do imi awe o we ke na Ezekelu pa obo we no so obo we ze akwo ma mi ani ke hin akwo obo wo ji e me picture mejo la me manite ato awe tu ya promoter ma ida ya promoter ma igbin agbera gbeje e ma nu promote mi ajo e ya kin enyenye if an ama egbe ba wa aku ida ya promoter ma why you promoting ma everio ezo gbara gbari emi no maka ke na ta megbe atale ya ma gbe why you promoting ma aba pa bobo no tagwo we to promoting ya ami ya no ma mi na tie life ami ya no ma mi na ya promoter ma we to bu we business woman hin other many where imagine university I'm a business woman that is either ya promoter ma a business no you will your promotion is too tight. Your promotion is too tight. Your promotion is a backward fighting. That is our promotion. When no go be school a graduate, it a promoter ma. Not a good, no ladia problem. I don't need it. I'm a picture measure. La wo ukbo ni wajena. You want need a peace. You need a joy. I'm a picture measure. It a promoter ma. Anybody not who promoting ya? Only ya con akpa all of ya. You might not say promotion because they have never do business before. So me, I know what I mean business. If you want to promote person, you promote it well, not by quarrel, not by say message to this. Wahala day oh, whose promotion be that one? Whose wahala day? After you will call yourself a Christian, that way Christian you not make a peace. You not make a peace. I don't know me away. Ina mina miwe osaloba bege me imi na time anu eva una avia hia wo me una aneru ma wi jani yesige na mudia wo wa ina atama we na ja wo china wo we ne na osaloba eru we iga toge ni jwa no rai ni no mota ina toge jimina na una avia wo wa me ni una we prayer even me na reply we Ina woman stop a problem in cause the YouTube. A problem in cause in my na we eru we answer. We na kan agbera we na una vie agbera. Mena ameni mena ruo hwa be we na luwa me una neru na minia una neru ina we tin say unless you stop it go slow no cause cinema and which is true me free never buwe ime wa gogo so iwa do tama we na ke na pa imo video me e fi anything all those fake this thing you aki my need wa mi is okay o wa easier o wa la YouTube a picture we wa gbari ne na ja watch came video me imo e 1 naira imo e so I need peace. It's okay, but I have to tell him my mind. You need the money. Anybody not about no problem, but don't put it in your place. Hey, yawa VAT. Hey, yawa VAT. Yeah, hey, yawa VAT. No, hey, yawa VAT. Hey, yawa VAT. Money they are tall. Where they ya to wa jo akinyenye ajo akinyenye ema area ma ya wina